how to record your voice on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, usually voice recorders are apps that are already in your device. So you don't have to install it. You can just go to the search bar in your app library and search for recorder and or voice recorder and open it up, and you will see a red circle, so you can just tap on it and start recording. And once you're done, just tap on it again and then just give a file name and hit OK. So this is very simple, but when voice recorder is not available in the phone itself, then you can just go to your Play Store and then on the search bar, search for recorder and then just see the reviews and install any voice recorder that you want to. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.